In the very first module, you learned that texture, in general, refers to how the various parts of the music interact. You learned that texture can be thin, like a single melody being sung by one person, or dense, like an entire orchestra playing at the same time. In this module, you will learn about the three main types of texture in music. The first texture type is called monophonic. Monophonic music consists of a single melodic line. It is the simplest texture type in music. Monophonic music is often referred to as monophony. Monophony can be as thin as a single instrument or voice performing a single melodic line. Or it can be quite dense, with many voices or instruments performing the exact same melodic line at the same time. The next texture type is called polyphonic. Polyphonic music consists of two or more melodies being performed at the same time. The melodies can move independently of or in imitation of one another. There are actually very strict rules about how each melody in a polyphonic texture moves against the others. We will begin to learn about these rules in the next module. Polyphonic music is referred to as polyphony. The final texture type is called homophonic. Homophonic music consists of a single melody with a harmonic accompaniment. It is the most common texture type in Western music. Homophonic music is referred to as homophony. There is a type of homophonic texture called homorhythmic. Homorhythmic music is a type of homophonic music in which there is a distinct melody, but the accompanying voices and melody all move together in the same or similar rhythm. This type of texture is most commonly found in hymns. A piece will not always be made up of just one texture. Most often, music will shift between different textures. A change in texture can signal a change to a new part of a musical form. We will refer to musical texture in future discussions on form, as well as in the next module on counterpoint.